back to Lavi Rèv. If you're new here, my name is Olivia. I am the founder here at Lavi Rèv. It's a consultancy that specializes in strategic planning, finance, all of that. Basically just giving women the foundation to build their dreams, make change happen. I am not sure when this video will go up, but I'm in the middle of filming a bunch of videos about like the financial mechanics of business. I guess I should give you my background. I have a degree in finance and international business. I studied at American University, Harvard Business School, lived and worked around the world, New York, Paris, and Hong Kong. And I'm doing a series right now about the financial mechanics of business, which financial statements you need to know, all of these amazing things. And it dawned on me today, well, this week actually, I had a conversation with one of my really good friends who is London and Turkey based. And we were talking, and burnout is so real, especially for female entrepreneurs. And I feel like it's something that a lot of women just don't talk about right now, or not that they don't talk about, but it's seen as taboo. It's seen as, oh, you have to make it work, push through, team no sleep. And it's not that. It is so not that. So I want to make sure that I always reiterate that in my videos, just that burnout should not be normal. That should not be the normalized working culture. So all of that to say, what am I doing? I have a million things for my business that are outstanding. Invoices to send, clients to follow up with, emails to send. And what am I doing? I am going to dinner at Tatiana. I'm so excited. Me and my husband got reservations. So all of that to say, I am practicing what I preach. I'm not just telling you all, hey, it's not, since we work, grind. I don't believe in hustle culture. I want to make sure that I show you all the various aspects of that and running a business. And sometimes you do need to kind of just drop everything and take care of yourself and go to dinner at one of the best rated restaurants in New York. So I'm really excited. It's an Afro-Caribbean restaurant here in New York City. I will leave links in the description box about what it is, why it's important, all that. Yeah, I'm so excited to be going to Tatiana. I can't wait to show you all around. Let's go. Hey, Mr. Olivia, are you excited?
Yes.
To go to Tatiana. Stop with me.
What?
Oh boy, are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, good. And we're back. So that was dinner at Tatiana by Kwame Onwuachi. So, so good. Especially for us, I feel like we absolutely love Caribbean food and especially Afro-Caribbean food. I think it was a really good mix of um, just the blend of cultures. So my favorite was um, the curry goat patties. Oh, chef's kiss, especially if you like curry goat. Let me actually sit down and talk to you guys here. Okay, much easier because I'm sitting down now. Okay, look at this view. Look at golden hour. Look at it. No, so dinner was fabulous. Obviously, if you love restaurants, if you love fine dining, I highly recommend. Because I've heard feedback that like, oh, if you're used to Caribbean food or if you're used to like authentic African food, you may be like, oh, okay, yeah, this isn't anything special. But I think it's really amazing that different types of cuisines and cultures are being elevated and celebrated in the fine dining space. I was actually just talking to my cousin about this. She was staying with us last weekend, and she's in the hospitality, fine dining space and wine industry. And I think it's really important for Black and Brown people to just see their culture in an elevated light. Like, I think that that's necessary. Everyone's culture can be luxury, you know, air quotes around luxury. So I really enjoyed our dining experience. The food was incredible. The music, oh my gosh, the playlist was great. I was like, it went from like Bryson, Bryson Tiller, Trap Soul, Jasmine Sullivan, Drake. It was just like a vibe. Really liked the music. The service was great. Highly recommend. Just to check it out and to have a New York City experience. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget that burnout is real and it's important to take time for yourself, no matter what industry you're in, whether you're starting your own business, whether you are just going through a time in life. I think it's really important to take moments for yourself to just breathe, enjoy, eat some good food, you know, talk to people that you love. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.